So I'm going to be using some of the Pebeo Pouring Experiences paints, and I've got a bit left on in some of these pots and some bigger ones. And I'm going to do a swipe pour. So the easy thing I do is just run through the colours I've got and then I'll get on with it. First one here is black. Then I've got this fantastic turquoise blue. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. I've got a little bit of this one left, which is like a ultramarine blue. It's a standard blue. It's more ultramarine to me than anything else. I've got this fantastic red, beautiful, beautiful colour, really vibrant, and I love it. Then this one is a gold, and it's got a little shimmer to it, and it's fab. So I've only got a tiny bit left in this pot. I'm not sure if I'm going to get anything out of that one. But I've got another one here, and I've got some more if I need it. And then we've got the white. So again, these ones I'm almost through, so I'm going to just try and use some of those up. I've got my canvas board, so it's all ready to go. And the only other bit of kit I'm going to use is a piece of paper towel. And I'm going to use that for the swipe itself. I've covered my surface here because there's going to be a bit of runoff. As I swipe, it's going to probably drip down the end a little bit. And that's about it, really. So I think I just need to start here just to make sure we get it all to the edges. I'm going to use this turquoise next. You can have thick and thin stripes. Trying at this stage not to get the layers overlapped. I'm just going to use a thin layer of the black. Brand new pot, so I've got to take the top off. Okay. Again, I'm not sure if there's a great deal left in this. Even without doing the swipe, there's little interactions happening with these paints which are beautiful. And you can see they're levelling out a little bit. So I think the next one needs to be the red. So again, oh, this one is open. So I can just use this. I think a little. Next I want to do some white. used any of this blue yet, so I'm going to do a layer of that. These don't have to be absolutely neat and tidy. Now, put a single line of the red through there just because I feel like it. Thin layer more of the gold. It's definitely nearly at the end. Look at this. I think a very thin layer more of the black. The black can be very dominant, so I don't want to put very much of that down. What do we need next? I think a bit more of this beautiful turquoise. And I'm going to finish with a red. Oh, got a little drop in there, quite like that. Okay, so we've got all this off the edges. Right, now this is the bit that's really quite exciting. It is to me anyway. So, take the tissue and with no weight on it at all, I'm going to pull that down. Well, that's not quite how I expected it to go. That's interesting. So I've just swiped that a couple of times across.